Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how you guys can get a working revamped stump for your Gorilla Tag copy. Now this one is just going to be super short, but this is going to be unedited, so you may hear some oops. Yeah, you may hear some. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we want to make sure you have no errors. Then what you want to do, I'm working on trying to get a tutorial on how you guys can get the new whatever it's called, but yeah. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab the table and the desk. Or the desk. No, what am I saying? See, that's when I say you're going to hear some oopses. You want to grab the table, and then one second. You also want to, you should see the table once you click on it. Just saying, if you're in the spring cleaning or something like that, it will not work. But yeah, if it ever shows like it, whenever you click on the table, it also has like the game modes with it, or it's like called like mesh combiner or something, like over a mesh, and you can't move the desk. It will not work. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so you want to click on the table, or whatever you're going to move. You should see Mesh Collider, it should be table. If it's not table, search up table. You want to get table and drag it all the way up to Mesh Filter. Then you should be able to move it around freely. I would recommend baking it once you're done, because it can mess up your lighting. So you just want to set it where you want your desk to be. So I'm just going to go ahead. Alrighty, as you see, it's right there. I turned off the code of conduct, and then you just want to do the exact same thing for the stool and stuff. So I'm just going to move my stool, grab UI, nope, grab physical computer. Alrighty, and there you go. That's how you add it. But if you're gonna move it, do the same thing for like computer monitor screen, and then you can move the whole computer and the keyboard and stuff. And then I'm also gonna show you guys how you can change where the game modes are. So yeah, let me show you guys that. Alright, so first up, I would recommend, yeah, this will follow this. First I'm gonna move the whole message of the day. Alright, you see right there, my message of the day is right there. And then if you also want to change where your game modes are, I'll show you guys. So you want to go to Tree Room Interactables. Then you should see, not UI, right? What's this then? So, okay, 1 second, guys. Let me just find it. So what you want to do is you want to Tree tree room interactable static, and then you should see mode selector box. You want to do the exact same thing for the covers and stuff, and then you should be able to move it around. Yeah. So I'm just gonna like make it smaller and rotate it as how it is in the new Stump. This is in the Christmas 23, by the way. Christmas 23 works the best in my opinion for Revamped Stump and everything because it's already like you don't have to do and mess with the meshes or anything to get it. You can just move anything around, so it's actually pretty nice. I need to get some more than that. Alrighty, and there you go. That's how you add a updated Stump for your Gorilla Tag copy. Yeah, have a good day.